So let's look at the structure of BTC, gold on a daily time frame. So let's be let's be fast as possible. Let's be fast as possible. Let's look at it from daily perspective. On daily perspective, you will see the daily candle have done something very, very, very symbolic. Close of Friday. This is close of Friday. Body of the candle, weak rejection. So these are the 2 points you are going to need. Body of the candle, weak rejection. So we have seen today candle interfering, broke. This is the weak rejection. And this is the close, the body of the candle close or the daily candle. Right. Now let's transfer this data to 4 hours for clear directional bias. Now you see on 4 hours there's a clear break of structure and market came back to affirm it here. Everything the market does pre-warning. So we have here break of structure followed by a retest. Look at the retest candle to break of structure on 4 hours and market came back to continue selling. Yes, so you see here there is a structure here, there is a structure there. Technically, there was a broken demand floor there. So I also want to designate that point. That's a demand floor. So price broke demand floor by Friday and also gave us a clue of continuous bearish drop and market open did not disappoint to keep that bias. Look at it very clearly. Break and retest. Clearly, family. Break and retest. So let me put it out for free because that's exactly what the market have done. I don't want to hear market manipulation from anybody. I don't want to hear that thing. There's nothing like manipulation in the market. Clearly, break and retest. What does that mean? Bearish continuation. Worst case scenario, a retest back into a broken structure and we go down. Yes, that's a worst case scenario. So that remains a sell floor. It remains a sell floor. But let's look at the market. Let's look at the trend of the market. Trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. So we look at the trend starting from October. I want to see the trend of the market from October. Market returns to October trend. After updating the floor, the next thing you see is a market return back to where it came from. So technically, we have updated the floor. We have updated the floor. So now updating the floor leaves us with two choices. For we to have a bullish reversal on this floor, we go back buying. We have lost a lot of people. Look at the market from 4,600. Look at what we have done, 4,778, where we are now. So what I want the market to do is to respect itself, go back, form a reversal on that floor, and continue to trade as usual. Here's what market has done. So what I expect it to do is to go back here and seek a pullback. This is what I expect ultimately based on our experience on market structure. This is what I want. This is what I want to see at the moment. Exactly what I want to see. So let me see if I have other parameters pointing towards this area as a potential buy floor. The market got to do what it got to do. So let's see. It looks like it could still dip. So if you are holding a buy position at this level, you could be right. You could be right. So we might have inverted head and shoulder, a bullish price action for us to go up. At this level, I think one of the things I'm looking out for is an inverted head and shoulder as a reversal price action to move from downtrend to uptrend. So I'll be looking at that. And I like this structure. I want price to dance into that structure. And I'll also tell you why I'm rooting for that structure. Why I'm rooting for that structure, you see here, we have we have here as resistance one, and we have here as a resistance two. Breakout of structure makes sense to see price return there as your new demand floor. So it makes sense to see if price can dip a little bit into that zone. And an ultimate area is the roof of this 4 hours candle. It's a potential floor. It's a potential floor. It's a potential floor, and it doubles out not to work out well on from horizontal perspective. So this is what it looks like. This is what our roof looks like. So let's see if if we can pull down a little bit. If it pulls down a little bit, that's fine. If it pulls down a little bit, that's fine. Yes. So you look at the price action as well and see what it has done, if it's worth it. This is what market has done on that roof. So this is what I see technically. This is what I see on technically. So let's see if it pulls, but the market is already in a buy zone. It's already in a buy zone at the moment. It's in a buy zone already. It's already in a buy zone. So it could dip down a little bit. So anything around 4,000 390 4,400 is a potential reversal zone. So the worst that can happen is to see us pull down into 4,400. So I'm rooting for 4,400 for buy. So let me put up that buy floor. Let me put up that buy floor. 4,400 into 4,387. Now look at it. Here is 4,415. So if you comes here is 4,407. So anything 4,386. So it's within the range. It's within the range of reversal, or it could even move from here. It could move from here, but the market will definitely turn around. Very, very hopeful. So